Hey plant lovers, today we're spotlighting a unique and highly underrated trailing gem, Angyo Star Tree Ivy. This one's for the indoor jungle stylists and foliage fanatics looking to add something a little whimsical to their space. Anglo Star Tree Ivy isn't actually a true ivy. While it mimics the look of classic ivies with its lobed leaves and trailing growth, it's actually a hybrid plant, part English ivy and part Fatsia. This unique lineage gives it stronger stems, a bolder look, and more resilience indoors. Anglo Star originated in France in the earliest 20th century. It was first bred in a nursery by crossing the classic English ivy with Japanese Fatsia. The result, a robust, slow-growing climber with beautiful low foliage and a versatile temperament. The Anglo Star cultivar is especially notable for its cream-splashed variegated leaves, which look like starlight dancing across green foliage. This plant features thick, leathery, star-shaped leaves. The leaves are broader than traditional ivy, but smaller than Fatsia, giving it a really balanced and elegant appearance. Over time, it forms semi-woody vines that can trail, climb, or sprawl, making it great for hanging baskets, trellises, or decorative pots. Anglo Star is easygoing and forgiving, making it a great option for both beginners and collectors. It needs bright indirect light, which helps keep its variegation, its shape, but can also handle partial shade too. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. The plant doesn't like being soggy. It appreciates moderate humidity, but adapts well to average indoor air. Keep it above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It enjoys normal household temps between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. During spring and summer, feed monthly with a balanced houseplant fertilizer to encourage lush growth. While it can trail, it also loves to climb. A moss pole or trellis will encourage vertical growth. Since Anglo Star is often grown in containers, companion planting usually comes down to aesthetic pairing. You can grow it with ferns, caletheas, or begonias for a mixed foliage look, or even mix it in large planters with upright tropicals to cascade down the edges. What's special about this ivy is its flexibility. It can be trained up a support, pruned to stay bushy and compact, or allowed to cascade in a hanging pot. Its semi-woody stems get stronger with age, and with regular pinching, it will grow into a full, lush shape. Also, unlike many ivies, it's less aggressive and more controlled in its growth habit. Anglo Star is also about aesthetic charm. It's not grown for flowers or fragrance, but for its decorative foliage. Whether trailing down a bookshelf, climbing a trellis, or filling out a corner with leafy elegance, it brings texture, contrast, and visual calm to any space. It's also non-toxic to humans, making a stylish and safe choice for living rooms, offices, or cozy corners. If you're growing one at home, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the wonderful world of plants with us. See you next time. And as always, happy growing.